Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewer, and good views and evening. The raining, the very fast raining today. So I will tracing it is this area. Thank you for this area. I'm tracing in the rain area. This area good. Tracing it. Good place, and trees is this area. Okay, coming to very opportunity. This area good using here, but no trees. It find it good opportunities and looking the good shooting in the here. And trees it very fast and very genuine too, because it was raining fast here, and I will explore in this walk and beautiful shot and scanning it, very find it movement of there very much, and some tracing somewhere opportunities. And shot oh. And a good shot and very much and traces very fine the moment. Oh. Very good opportunities here was beautiful. See, here moment very good scenery here. Yeah. Cut. Raining, very beautiful raining, too much raining here, the fast raining here, good opportunities here, because too raining, together raining, here, very much. Good job. Oh. Look out here, the opportunities are good. And, looking very fast. Rain is very fasting here, and because beautiful rain, and I will know and detecting this my and the problem is the rain. I have no detect in this place, and this rock, and very energetic here. Because 7 people but opportunities here, and very much and beautiful in this place. Okay, the raining. Big raining, and because I am tired. I back to my home. I'm go to the home. I back to home, and this video I know detect is my goal, my tracing, and I will inshallah explore this video and gold place and tracing Georgios I'll back to these places. Very big hosting where very good rain is ahead, but evening magnificent and very fast running here. Oh, and go to the I'm back to my home. Yeah, right. This place very fantastic and good opportunities here. A good sign with a big under this rock, big under the freezing. Thank you, and I am go to the back my home and opportunities. I have no in this time detected gold detector. I know have in this time, inshallah ta'ala, and the next time well detect and Georgius and opportunities, because my detecting point it is this area is very 100% trees is behind the rock और नीचे मेरे हाल में होगा सुनो है यहाँ पर भी मौजूद है इसका पकड़ भी I am to back my home. The rain is very fast. I am back to the home. And other countries and this place very energetic and this is total area, this total area and the treasure area. The wall, the old wall is the breakdown here. This is very energetic. It's very beautiful and scenery center. This rock. rock is very good। यहाँ पर भी मौजूद है सोने के आसार, कुछ यहाँ पर भी है, लेकिन मैं आप लोगों को दिखाने की कोशिश करूँगा। यहाँ पर भी मौजूद है, यहाँ पर भी है। ये देखें, आप देख सकते हैं, ये देखें यहाँ पर big trouser and the big girl here। यहाँ में भी मौजूद है, इसमें भी गोल्ड ट्रैक्टर मेरे ख्याल में यहाँ पर भी मौजूद है। इस पर भी, इस रॉक में ब्लैक रॉक, इस रॉक पर भी मौजूद है। तो यहाँ पर मुझे ज़रूर ये ट्रेजरी वगैरह मिलेगी और मैं आप लोगों को इसका भी डिस्कस करूँगा इस वीडियो में। और इसको कैसे काटते हैं और इसको काट के और इसको दो हिस्सों में तकसीम करके, और इसके नीचे बहुत ज़्यादा दूर है, लेकिन इस जगह पर यानी बहुत ज़्यादा यानी कि सोने के आसार मौजूद हैं। हमारी ये सर्विसेज और ये हमारा डिटेक्टेड किया हुआ एरिया है, बिकॉज आज रेन बारिश होने की वजह से यानी अपना मैं टूल वगैरह नहीं डाल सका। तो इंशाल्लाह ताला नेक्स्ट टाइम इस साथ लाऊंगा, और इंशाल्लाह ताला नेक्स्ट टाइम पे तो और इस जगह की हम दोबारा खुदाई एंड डिगनिंग करेंगे। तो इंशाल्लाह ताला आप लोगों को ये हमारी वीडियो ज़रूर पसंद आएगी। प्लीज़ सपोर्ट मी एंड साइन इट एंड आई विल मीट टू नेक्स्ट वीडियो। Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you. And this plus very energetic moment. And a good moment. Hello. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.